Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Whether you're a tried and true sniper or you prefer CQB. We've reviewed our top pick in every major gun type to fit your playstyle. There are thousands of airsoft guns out there, and if you don't know what you're looking for, you may end up buying something that's less than high quality. In fact, if you end up buying your airsoft gun from a big name store like Walmart, you can expect a poor performance on the field of battle. In reality, picking out a quality airsoft gun isn't as difficult or convoluted as it appears on the surface. It just takes the right guidance from the correct source. Airsoft is a blast and has grown quickly as both a fun hobby and competitive sport over the past several years.
Introducing the Classic Army Nemesis X9 AEG. The X9 is perfect for players who want a sleek, compact SMG for very tight, close quarters gameplay, while retaining all of the function, feel, and fire controls of the familiar AR-15 and M4 style platforms. An M-LOK handguard affords you the ability to mount any compatible accessories to the front of your X9 in virtually any configuration you can think of. Towards the back, you will see a 3-position PDW-style stock with a unique, spacious, and user-friendly battery compartment latch that makes swapping out batteries on the fly a total breeze. Internally, the X9 sports Classic Army's 2018 ECS programmable trigger unit, giving you the option to set your gun to 3 or 5 round bursts while providing protection for your trigger switch. Combined with the pre-installed flat trigger system, the ECS allows for blazing fast trigger response with negligible motor spin-up time, as every fraction of a second counts in CQB. To top it all off, the X9 is backwards compatible with all previous Classic Army Nemesis Series AEG upper receivers, giving you the ability to swap out rail systems and barrel lengths quickly to suit any changes in environment or playstyle. Available from your local licensed Classic. Introducing the Classic Army 870 Breacher Spring Shotgun. Full metal construction and a compact size means it's the perfect backup weapon to strap to the back of your rig. It shoots 400 FPS straight out of the box, and it accepts standard AEG springs, meaning you can switch between field and CQB setups on the fly. Its attachable magazines carry 10 rounds apiece and offer you better options for carrying more ammo over traditional shotgun shot shells. Available through your local licensed. Introducing the Classic Army DT4 Double Barrel AEG. Get ready to unleash an absolute storm of plastic upon the competition with the world's first double-barreled AEG. Incredibly unique in both form and function, the DT4 gives you the ability to harness 2 magazines at once, providing accurate and brutal suppressing fire that's just as sure to turn heads as it is to keep them down. Utilizing a single gearbox with a split cylinder and 2 individually adjustable hop-up units ensures that both barrels are shooting consistently and accurately, maintaining the same trajectory and FPS even if one magazine runs dry or is removed from the gun. The DT4 is controlled by a single trigger system and an ambidextrous fire selector, and features the hyper-efficient Classic Army 2018 ECS programmable trigger system, affording an excellent trigger switch protection, snappy trigger response, and the ability to program the rifle to fire in 3 or 5 round bursts. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Introducing the Classic Army ARS-312 Modular M4 AEG. The ARS-312 AEG is an M4-based platform designed for general-purpose usage, with the longer design lending itself to more long-range and field-type applications. The gun features a monolithic top rail, with more rails on the sides to accommodate any additional accessories, such as grips, flashlights, and bipods. The gun also features an ergonomic pistol grip, flip-up front and rear sights, a retractable crane stock, and a sling adapter plate, and comes with 2 300-round magazines straight out of the box. Internally, the gun has a 9mm bearing gearbox, wire-cut steel 21:1 ratio gears, an inline MOSFET with protected trigger contacts, a metal spring guide with bearing, a 6.03mm type bore barrel, silver low-resistance trigger wiring, and a quick-change spring system that allows for fast and easy spring changes without having to go into the gearbox. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Classic Army M132 Microgun Vehicle Kit. Take the incredible firepower of the microgun and make it mobile. This kit includes everything you need to mount your microgun to any dedicated airsoft vehicle, with a modular mounting block that allows you to devise your own mounting options while retaining compatibility with pintle-style military machine gun mounts. A barrel shroud, flash hider, and 50 BMG-style dual-handle trigger unit complete the classic vehicle-mounted weapon look, and features a Picatinny rail for mounting optics as well. Available from your local licensed Classic Army M24 LTR bolt-action spring sniper rifle. The M24 LTR is a high-performance bolt-action airsoft replica that features a high-quality nylon fiber stock and full metal trigger box and barrel assembly. Clocking in at roughly 400 feet per second, the M24 LTR is a fantastic marksman platform straight out of the box, and partial VSR-10 parts compatibility afford you the ability to upgrade the rifle to even higher standards of performance. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Introducing the Classic Army Nemesis ME14 M-LOK Elite Carbine AEG. Whether you are a raw beginner or a seasoned veteran, the Classic Army Nemesis series of AEGs was designed to give players the ultimate tool to take down the opponent. The Nemesis features a 6.03mm inner barrel and a programmable electronic control system, meaning you'll have both great out-of-the-box accuracy and fine control over your AEG's burst fire settings, affording you 3 or 5 round bursts and full auto when you need it. The Ford M-LOK style handguard is compatible with all standard M-LOK accessories and rail attachments, giving you unlimited options for customization. The addition of a mod stock to the rear buffer tube not only enhances aesthetic appearance, but offers additional storage space for small items or batteries as well. All Nemesis models are available through your local license.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.